Hey, thanks for checking out the video. I'm going to go over this WPL low center of gravity belly dragger build that I finished recently. Showing the full droop suspension there, WPL stock shock housings with 18th scale short course truck threaded rod. That wasn't supposed to happen right there, but I can show you the placement of the ESC and the receiver and how the magnets mount up there. You can see on the door there, that's where the ESC mounts, and that on the top where the receiver mounts, and those three other magnets there are where it mounts down to the chassis. Some all thread there with the magnets epoxied to it, and a magnet on top of the transmission. That's a Dumbo RC and a Dynamite ESC, or a Dumbo receiver. MN 12 scale axles, metal trusses, and WPL metal links. There's the beadlock wheels with foams from AliExpress. Servo on axle, metal geared servo, and a metal servo horn. There's a better shot of where the all thread, I guess that's a bolt that I put in there, not all thread, for the front stabilizer where the mount magnets are at. That's the plate, the risers that I made there, one for each side to lift the motor up a little bit. Still catches just a little tiny bit, but it's not really noticeable. The front drive line I had to make. C34 rails were the whole platform for this build, though. Those rails were the whole idea behind this build, was to use those just because they're flat. And the magnets mount up. Oh, there's copper tubing in there for the servo, for the servo line there. And right now that's just some spider wire fishing line. And it's like a 45-pound test or something. And you don't have to have that line going over the top, but it helps to have something to hook in the winch cable to on the back there, and it does kind of help because the magnets they're good, but they don't always hold if you try to lift it by the body. And that servo winch is controlled by the third channel on the transmitter. That Velcro strap on the passenger side door is where the battery is held on the inside. And that is pretty much it. Thank you for watching the video.